everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of clicking on my video, you're welcome. Thank you very much. So today I'm bringing you this healthy granola parfait you can use as your healthy breakfast or your dessert. If you want to know how I made this healthy recipe, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you will be a part of the family. So let's get started with this recipe. So these are the ingredients I'm using today to make my yogurt granola parfait. In here I have my granola, I have my natural yogurt, I have my blueberries, my raspberry, my strawberries. I have my pack of granola there. This is the granola I use to make my dessert. So I have my honey. So guys, at this moment I washed my strawberries very clean. So I'm just going to slice my strawberries into little pieces. I'm just going to carefully slice them little by little. Guys, this is summer. You can enjoy this summer with this healthy, delicious granola parfait. You can make it with any fruit of your choice, and I bet you're going to enjoy it. So at this moment I add some into my plate and I use my spoon to mash it very carefully and make sure I mash it into a very light puree. And I add a teaspoon of honey to this. I add a teaspoon of honey to it. So I have sliced my black raspberry. My strawberries are nicely sliced. So at this moment I'm just going to put my yogurt in my cup. And I'm going to add my mashed strawberries. I'm going to add some granola. You can definitely use any granola of your choice. Mine have some raisin and almond on it, as I love them like that. So you can get any granola of your choice. So at this moment I'm adding more strawberries. And I'll add some blueberries or so. Guys, I bet you if you try this recipe you're going to enjoy it, as it's packed filled with healthy fruits. I bet you're going to love it. You're going to love it as it's summer, and this summer the fruits are very nice, they taste good. So why don't you just try this as a breakfast or as a dessert and see if you truly like it. Okay, so now I'm adding more yogurt to the up layer. And I'm going to add some more granolas. And now I'm going to add more fruit to my granola. So when I'm done with this, I'm just going to go ahead and make the other one. So guys, if you love this recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button and drop a comment for me if you didn't try it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate you. I appreciate your time, your love. Thank you very much. So guys, this is the end result of my food granola parfait. I hope you enjoyed it, and please, if you know you enjoyed this recipe, why don't you just help me to click on that red button that says subscribe, as it's totally free. Subscribe so you won't miss any of my video, and also click that bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new video. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Till I see you on my next video, have a lovely summer, have a lovely day. Bye.